determine the appropriate conductor size for a 480 volts 3-phase chiller using a Wye-Delta starter, several calculations and considerations based on the National Electrical Code (NEC) are necessary. The chiller has terminals labeled turn T2, T3, T4, T5, and 6, with the Y connection utilizing 3 legs and the Delta connection utilizing all 6, where turn in T4, T2 and T5, and T3 and 6 represent the 3 phases. The minimum circuit ampacity (mCA) is 922 ohms. Firstly, determine the line current for the Y connection. The line current, denoted as I subscript L, equals the MCA divided by the square root of 3. Therefore, I subscript L equals 922 amps divided by the square root of 3, which equals 532.9 amps. Secondly, determine the phase current for the Delta connection. The phase current, denoted as I subscript P, equals the line current multiplied by the square root of 3. Hence, A subscript P equals 532.9 amps multiplied by the square root of 3, which equals 922 amps. Thirdly, determine the conductor size for the Y connection. Refer to NEC Table 310.16 for conductor ampacity. For a 480 volts, 3-phase system, conductors rated for at least 532.9 amps are required. Fourthly, determine the conductor size for the Delta connection. Refer to NEC Table 310.15. B16 for the ampacity adjustment factor for conductors in parallel. For 3 conductors in parallel, the adjustment factor is 0.8. Calculate the adjusted phase current, denoted as I subscript P prime, by dividing the phase current by the adjustment factor. Therefore, I subscript P prime equals 922 amps divided by 0.8, which equals 1152.5 amps. Fifthly, select conductors for the Delta connection. Refer to NEC Table 310.16 for conductor ampacity. For a 480 volts, 3-phase system, conductors rated for at least 1152.5 amps are required. In summary, for the Y connection, conductors rated for at least 532.9 amps are necessary. For the Delta connection, conductors rated for at least 1152.5 amps are required. The conductor sizes must be verified by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with the NEC and local regulations. Additional factors, such as wire routing, insulation type, and ambient temperature, may also affect the conductor size selection. Understanding these calculations and the NEC guidelines is crucial for safely and effectively sizing conductors for a Wye-Delta starter in a 480 volts 3-phase chiller system.